What's up, YouTube? I'm like literally crazy as fuck right now, but we're gonna fix that real soon. I wanted to bring you with me while I do my hair. I did like this half up, half down, I think in my last video, and I don't know, I think I want to show you guys how I actually did it. So let's get into it. First I'm gonna take my hair out. It's crazy. I like showered, but I had my hair straight, but my hair like just never stays straight, even with the shower cap and everything. So this is what we're working with right now. Basically, since it's a half up, half down, I'm gonna just start by like splitting my hair in half. I like to go like behind my ear because I feel like it just like snatches better, if that makes sense. But I'm gonna just warn you guys right now that like me and hair like don't really get along. Like I'm not really that good with hair, but I'm gonna just show you guys how I finesse. So I'm just gonna clip my hair with like a claw clip because I also did a side part, so that means I gotta do a side part again. And I don't do like a really crazy deep side part because that shit just doesn't look good on me. I'm gonna do something like cute and light like this. You can either use your nails if you have nails, or you can use like some sort of comb that's got like this rat tail tip. To start like creating a part. I feel like this part, if you take your time, like it'll be worth it, because I don't know, I feel like a messy part just like kills the vibe. Like I feel like this is what it's gonna look like for me. Basically, once this is like parted, you can just clip it up with like a little clip, and then we'll get back to the top part of the hair. And I don't know, like for me, I like to grab like a lot of hair because I don't really have like, not that I don't have hair, but I don't have like that much hair either. And like we're gonna use a hair donut, so you want enough to where it will like cover the donut, if that makes sense. You also want to use a brush. Hold on one sec. Okay, yeah, we're gonna use a brush. To just like comb everything back. Yeah. And then you can take a hair tie and actually make a ponytail this time. I need to go to the gym. So next, for the top part, I like to use Eco Gel because it's like strong and it'll hold, but it doesn't make your hair like crunchy, if that makes sense. Okay, I take a lot, like, and this isn't even gonna be it, but that's just like what I'm gonna use to start. But I'm gonna basically just like run that shit all through this top part of the hair. Oh, also I'm using this bristle brush. I don't know what it's called, like if it's like boar bristle brush, I don't really know. But I like to use that to like smooth out any of like the little lines that like show like after brushing your hair, combing it or whatever. And then since you like brushed it, you're gonna have like little pieces that are like not looking that cute like by the base of your ponytail, so you can just like redo the ponytail so that it all just like goes together. Also, I forgot to say, like the Eco Gel that I'm using is the black castor and flaxseed oil one. This one's like basically my second favorite, but they didn't have my favorite one at the store, so this is just like what I got. So basically next is this donut. You can get it from like a bunch of different places, but I got this one from Sally's. You can kind of like stretch it out like as if it was a hair tie, and then put it over your ponytail like that, because otherwise you're gonna like basically like tease your hair and it's not gonna get everything. But after that, you just like split your ponytail into two sides, and you just kind of try to like spread it around like as much as possible so that it's covering all parts of the donut. And then once you do that and you feel like it's good, you can just take another hair tie and put it like right on top. And then with these extra pieces, you can kind of just like wrap it around. Last time I kind of kept like a little piece out and I just like curled it, so I'm probably gonna do that again. Also, I'm using like these clips, I mean like these pins. They're kind of like bobby pins, but not really. They're like the ballerina pins. That's like all I can think of. Like, oh my god, see, like look at this shit. Honestly, just do your best. I'm gonna just assume that you guys can do this better than me. So I feel like at this point, like anybody's better than me when it comes to hair. Now for the fun part, because I feel crazy as fuck right now. For the edges, I like to use this edge booster. This one's like the cherry scent. And then I just like to take like my edge comb and just start like working on these edges. I like to start on the side that's like exposed because I feel like that's gonna like set the tone for the rest of it. Yeah, something like that. Also for the baby hairs, like it's easier if you just coat all of it with the gel first and then start to like style them. Like I want to do a little like curl, but I feel like the hair is gonna cover it anyway, so like I feel like there's not really a point in doing that, so I'm gonna just swoop it all, I guess. But basically that's it for the baby hairs. How you style them is up to you. I feel like everybody's head shape's different, everybody's baby hair is laid different, so just like do what you want. Next, all that's left is the actual styling and straightening of the rest. So I'm just wait for my hair straightener to heat up. Also, I want to show you the I feel like my neighbors hate me at this point. I drop everything. Also, I wanted to show you guys the chopsticks that I use like for the hair. I'm not gonna use them this time because I'm just like not in the mood. But they look like this, and you literally just like stick them in wherever you want, however you want. I don't know, maybe I will put it in. Anyways, I'm gonna just split like the bottom half like into two pieces and then like straighten it that way because the bottom pieces didn't get that curly, thank God. And if you want your hair like as straight as possible, then you kind of want to like take your time as you're like straightening it. Like I used to be like the girl like in high school that would just like and like expect my hair to get straight. Like girl, like please. So don't be like me. Just like go slow and it'll do it. You won't even have to do that many passes because it's like it's actually straightening it, you feel me? And if your hair is like curly already, like I like to just go in like smaller sections, but since it's already straight, I feel like I don't really have to do all that this time. So I'll just straighten the bangs. Stay for sure. It didn't stay straight. And you can like choose if you want to like curl it in like at the end or if you want it to like curl out. I feel like either way my hair doesn't like stay. So I'm gonna just like try to make it straight and it'll just curl on its own. And then like any of these pieces that you left out, like you can choose to either like straighten or curl them. I think I'm gonna just straighten it this time, honestly. Last time I kind of like curled them, but they didn't stay curled, so instead of fighting it, I'm gonna just, you know, yeah, that's basically it. Like it wasn't that hard, that's what I'm saying. Like I was nervous because like I don't really do that much with my hair normally, but that's why I didn't want to bring you guys with me because like I was just like scared, alright? And then basically I'm gonna just show you what I do with the chopsticks. If you want to do something with the chopsticks, I got them from Amazon also. You can choose like how much you want to like stick out. If you want it to like really look like a chopstick, you can have more of the stick showing. And last time I put it on like 2 different sides, but I think this time if I do keep them, I'm gonna do them like this and have it just on one side. Yeah, that's basically it for this hair. I'm gonna finish doing my makeup because I just feel like I can't like leave a video like this. It just feels like hella unfinished to me, so I'm gonna go do that and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I finished my makeup, so now you can finally see like the final look. I also like readjusted these chopsticks, but yeah, this is her today. This like hair makes me feel hella girly. Like I feel like who the fuck am I? That's it for this video. Let me know what you think, and if you recreate this look, don't forget to tag me. I'd love to see it. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.